Alright guys, so finally, we will try our Yamaha EAD interface. So, let's do a comparison sa ating drum kit with Yamaha EAD and without Yamaha EAD. So first, pakinggan muna natin yung walang interface. So next will be with the Yamaha EAD interface. So yun, I think narinig nyo naman yung difference between raw video and having your Yamaha EAD 10 interface. So, yung preset ng Yamaha EAD ko is hindi pa ganun talaga siya natimpla. Marami pa akong kailangang i-research and kailangan ko pang mag-experiment kasi napakarami niyang effects and scenes. And then sa reverb, and then sa compressor niya. So there's a lot of things na kailangan ko pang aralin dun sa interface mismo. But nevertheless, ang laki nung gap between raw video and then having your own interface. So that's all guys. I hope sa mga gusto ring magkaroon ng kanilang sariling drum studio or drum corner sa kanilang sariling bahay, there are things that you need to consider. Hindi mo kailangang bumili ng full na mic, drum mics, and then mixers, and then DAW sa iyong laptop. Those are for professional drummers. Napaka-technical yun. Pero kung gusto mo lang is mag drum cover or short videos, option mo is Yamaha EAD 10. So yun lang. Bye!